Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, late last fall, if you were paying attention on TikTok, the clean makeup look kind of took over. And as much as I love that look, and as much as I kind of have always done that look, I've never really done it for you guys. And when I was thinking of what I'm going to start and do for my spring summer makeup look, the clean makeup look was a no-brainer. Now I have some new products that I haven't shown you before and some tried and trues. So if you want to see how I made this face happen, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer. I am into all things hair, skin, and makeup. I bet you are too. That's why you landed on this channel. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button because you know you're going to come back for more. All right, friends, if you're ready to see how I made this look happen, sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, so one of the hallmarks of the clean girl makeup is wearing your hair back in like a very slick ponytail or bun. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I don't look cute like that on camera. I mean, I think I look cute like that in real life, but I probably don't. So I'm just going to pin this back so we can get the makeup done. So glow is a huge part of the clean makeup girl look. And I've been using from, this is the Glowy Super Gel in the shade Star Glow. I know I haven't shown it to you guys. I've been testing it out in a bajillion different ways. It's been around, I don't know, maybe like a year now. I'm freaking in love with this. All right, so I'm taking about 1.5 pumps, 2 pumps, and just going all over my face with it. The one thing you need to know about this is once you have it placed, stop moving it around. It is not like a moisturizer where you have a lot of playtime. Once you get it where you want, just stop, because if you don't, it will start to like ball up and pill. Done. I mean, can you get over that glow? It just looks healthy and fresh. It doesn't look like there's bits of like glitter or mica. I'm just glowing. Next up, concealer. I'm going to use the Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 4.75. I have grown to really like this over time. At first I was like, oh, it's a little expensive for what it is, but I really appreciate how it's a medium coverage and it just looks natural, doesn't get cakey. I don't know, I've been really loving this. But because I really do want to keep my under eyes, like, I don't know, I don't want to say glowing, but I don't want them to look dry and cakey. I am going to use my Smashbox Becca. This is the Under Eye Brightening Corrector in Fair Light. And now for the concealer. I'm not using a lot, just a little bit, but I am going to go in my red areas. And because I am still enjoying my Jones Road What the Foundation, I'm going to use that. I have it in the shade Beige. If you saw my recent video, then you know I was pleasantly surprised. Honestly, the only thing that I really don't like about it is I feel like I need to mix it up every time I use it. It just feels like it kind of separates in between usage, but whatever. And I actually apply it with my fingers just like a moisturizer. It's not my favorite way to do it, but it works. And because I want to keep the juicy glow going, I'm going to use my Say Sun Melt Bronzer. This is in the shade Light Bronze. And just press that in to make everything look blended and as natural as possible. And then I'll set that bronzer with my powder, Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Scope Bronzer in the shade Light. And of course, I'm going to be using my Mario F2 brush. I cannot get over how much I love this. And the other one I have, these were definitely worth the investment. Now I'm just setting the bronzer because I want to keep the bronze look, but I don't need to be glowing over my entire face because I don't want to look greasy. I want to glow. And then just blend again with my Beauty Blender. Now I do want to set because I don't want this to move, but I don't want to take away my glow. So of course, part of the set, I'm going to use my Prisme Libre powder, and I've been using the Beauty Blender Bounce Sponge. I'm really enjoying this. I mean, it was a viral sensation a little bit ago, even though it's been out for like over a year, but it is definitely perfect for just getting in those little areas and not getting it everywhere. And then to set the perimeter of my face, I'm going to use my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This has a lovely sheen to it, and because of that, I don't use it over my entire face because it can just look too glowy everywhere. But because I want to maintain my glow, I'm going to use it just under like my cheekbone, center of my forehead. That should be about it. And for that, I'm using the other end of the F2 by Mario. Now you may be thinking, girl, you are taking all that glow away. And I'm really not. I'm actually setting the product because I don't want it to slide. This Jones Road foundation is very moisturizing. It's almost like using a tinted moisturizer, even though it feels a little thicker. However, it needs to be set because it will move otherwise. But not to worry, as my skin like warms up all the products on it, the glow does return. And of course, I'm going to add more glow from Rare Beauty. This is their liquid luminizer in the shade Transcend. I just think that that shade is perfect for summer. At first, when I bought it, I was like, ooh, you might be a little too warm for me. But I just knew she'd have her place. And I'm actually going to keep it up higher than I normally do. I'm not going to go as crazy because I just want to keep my glow under control. That glow is so friggin' beautiful. I cannot get over it. And for, I think this is like $22. This is literally the best liquid luminizer as far as I'm concerned. And a tiny bit on the bridge of the nose. And whatever's on my sponge, I'm just gonna go above my Cupid's bow and on my chin. I don't know if there's ever been a better summer glow than this. All right, I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Now my eyebrows may be looking like a little bit much, and that's because this eye look doesn't actually have a really profound like eyeshadow look. So something needs to be strong, so it's the brows. Now I did prime and set my eyelids, and I set under my eyes because I had forgotten to. Now to keep the look completely monochromatic, the easiest thing to do is just go in the eye with whatever bronzer you used, and that's what I would normally do. However, because I am in love with the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2, I have been having so much fun with this cream shadow here. If you use just a tiny bit, it gives the most beautiful wash of color. So that's what I'm gonna do today because it is a neutral shade, so it'll blend out and be just what my eyes need. So as you can see, my eyes don't look eyeshadowy. It just looks like they kind of blend in with my face. All right, I need an inner corner highlight because you got to keep that glow going. What am I going to use? All right, I'm going to use from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Multi Glow in the shade Romance Light. I am actually enjoying this more than I thought I would because it does have a nice glow. It's not sparkly like I thought it might be. However, the glow is intense. Let's just go with a little under the brow and a little bit on the nose. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use my Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, and I'm going to be going over the top with the Lawless Setting Spray because I want to see if that is going to keep this from flaking and smearing on me. I mean, it is a gorgeous mascara, but it's not waterproof, so it isn't my go-to, but it does give beautiful lashes. And I'm still enjoying this Shiseido eyelash curler. I mean, look at that fat wand. That's how I like it. And really darken up the base of the lash since I'm not going to use an eyeliner. Now, the girl on TikTok that this whole look is attributed to, I think her name is Rankiin. I will link the video in the box below. But at the end, she used a lip product from Dior, and I think it was this one. This is the Dior Addict lipstick in the shade 578 Forever Kiss. And as you can tell, that's all that I have left of this. I had this for a while, and I liked it very much because, as you can tell, it's balmy, and it gives you like that nice, like fresh look to your lips. I'll show you. And yes, it does look fresh and natural. Your lips don't look like super glowy, but they do look a little like better than normal. Now, I appreciate very much that this is what she chose because I've loved this product for a long time. However, because I'm trying to keep like a monochromatic, like bronzy all over summery look, I have from Natasha Denona. This is from the I Need a Rose lipstick. I have also the I Need a Rose lip gloss, and I have the lip crayon. They are all in the shade CALLA. She had a launch a couple months ago and there were 3 different shades. I picked this shade because I didn't have anything like it in my collection whatsoever. You can see that is like a neutral brown and I love it so much. Now here's the thing. It is pigmented. So I'm gonna show you how I use it so that I'm not looking lipsticky. All right, you gotta go. You need to be sharpened. Oh, broke off the tip. All right, I love this shade because it's very natural and neutral and it can help me just, you know, give my lips a little more than what they really are. Now, this is so creamy. I have worn it over my lips entirely and then just topped it with the lip gloss, but today I'm gonna use all 3 products. Now, like I said, this is very pigmented, so I just go in the center and then I spread it out with my finger. Because I want it to be neutral, natural, and not over lipsticky. And then I'm gonna top it with this gloss only in the center. I mean, juicy and natural. I love having kind of a nude, like bronzy lip, I guess. I think for summer, it is so pretty, so natural. I have got to put some spray on. I don't want to lose it. Actually, before I spray, I'm going to give the face one more look. Now, because I'm not wearing a blush, I'm just going to go in with the bronzer one more time just to make sure I'm not looking pasty, pale, unfinished. And if you've been paying attention, my favorite setting spray has been this Glam Guard from Lawless. The mist is so fine and it just settles in so easily, so effortlessly. It doesn't leave any droplets on my face and it seriously locks in my makeup for hours and hours. All right, let's get these out. So here we are with my version of the clean makeup look / easy summer bronzy face. You guys tell me what you think. Are you like, you used a lot of makeup to make that happen? Listen, I'm old. I need a lot of makeup. I know, it's sometimes surprising how many products are needed to make yourself look natural, at least for me. But I don't care. I love this look. This is perfect for me for every day, for summer, for looking clean. All right, friends, do me a favor. If you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think you're gonna try this look, let me know in the comments below. All right, friends, I wanna thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah.